It hurts.
You're worse than a child.
Hello! Welcome to English with Cats. It's time to take down our Christmas tree and put it away. In our first video of the Christmas tree, you have learned the words put up the Christmas tree. In this one, we're going to practice put away. We're going to put away our Christmas tree and all the Christmas decorations. Are you ready to join us for the last of the Christmas fun? Let's go! I'm going to put my Santa hat on for one last time. Ready for the fun? Let's go! Come on, Lise! Come on, Super! The last thing we put on our Christmas tree was the star. Do you remember? The star. Bye, star! Remember the decorations we made from salt dough for Zupa and Lise. Time to put them away. Remember these? What were they called? Baubles. Baubles. Put away the baubles. It's not bubbles, okay? It's baubles. These are snowflakes. Snowflakes. Put away the snowflakes. Do you remember these? Ribbons. Remember the white ribbon with hearts and the red one with stars. Ribbon. Put away the ribbon. Remember these? These were the first thing we put on our Christmas tree. What is it? Fairy lights. Fairy lights. Christmas lights. Now it's time for the Christmas tree. We are putting away the Christmas tree. Bye, tree!
Smile.
Goodbye, reindeer. Look at the antlers. Goodbye. Now, some more vocabulary. Some more Christmas vocabulary. Do you know these? Stockings. Stockings. Chimney. Chimney. The smoke coming out of the chimney. And where does Santa come into your house from? Through the chimney. Santa. Here is another one. Candy cane. Candy cane. Remember these? Christmas cards, Christmas cards, or greeting cards. Okay. Do you remember this little one? The naughty one? Wow, Lisa? The naughty one playing with the baubles? We don't have mistletoe, but we do have holly. Right here. Holly. Holly. One last vocabulary for you. The wreath. Wreath. Christmas wreath. There we go. All put away. As you can see, no more Christmas tree. All gone, all put away. We have put away our Christmas tree and all our Christmas decorations. And we got to practice some vocabulary, didn't we? I hope you found this video useful and you had fun watching it. Please share with your friends and family. In the meantime, we would like to say thank you to everybody who made our Christmas and New Year's special. Thank you to you all. Love you.